Hello everyone, it's 29th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have India post 8.2% Q2 GDP growth, top 6 quarters, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have Trump says he will stop all migration from third world after the DC shooting, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have nearly 100 killed as Cyclone Ditwa batters Sri Lanka, again very important for environment as well as international relations perspective. Then we have Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh coast brace for impact of cyclone and the issues rain alert. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Putin to visit India for annual summit next week. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have 18% GST on air purifiers. It's unjust, says Kejriwal. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Kerala's population to rise till 2041, then fall. Then says the report. Again, very important. Then we have AS6, Assam group seeks ST status, 7 more IOBC list. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have India-Russia defense ministers to meet S-500 acquisition on agenda. Again, very important for international relations perspective as well as defense perspective. Then we have India launches Operation Sagar Bandhu to provide relief supplies to Sri Lanka. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have delay in getting syntactic foam hits Samudrayan. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have Navy to hold international fleet review in Visakhapatnam in February. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have WHO calls on countries to make fertility care safer and affordable. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have Reserve Bank issues 244 consolidated master directions. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Hungary Prime Minister defies EU, promises Putin to keep buying Russian oil. Then we have Imran Khan slammed Pakistan over his father's isolation. Then we have Venezuela anti-drug operation by land begin soon, says Trump. Then we have dozens of bodies found at site of deadly Hong Kong blaze, rising the toll to 128. Then we have UN slams execution of 2 Palestinians in West Bank's Jenin. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.